Hey guys, it's Hawkeye here, and welcome to another Campfire cooking collaboration. Collaborating with me again is Our World Outdoors, It's Good in the Woods, Knights of the Trail, Southwest Ohio Adventures, TimeOut to the Trail, and Jason Outdoors. Joining me again is my sister Lauren.
Hi everyone, if you tuned in last time, you saw that we made a fun fall breakfast. We had potato pancakes and kielbasa with an egg over easy, some apple packets that we warmed up on the grill. Today is all about dessert, and we are going to mash up two of our favorite treats today, nachos and s'mores, to make campfire nacho s'mores. It's a great way to get the kids involved, use up some leftover Halloween candy, and really have a delicious treat.
Alright, so the first thing you want to do is get one of these tinfoil pie pans. You can buy them pretty much anywhere. Makes cleanup easy. They're pretty light. Most people probably have them in their pantry at home.
We are going to add some graham crackers as a base layer. Just want to break them up in pieces. You're probably going to want to use a fork to eat this when it's all said and done. So you don't want your pieces too large.
So I'm sure everyone's had nachos. One of the most frustrating things is when you have nachos and all the toppings and everything's just on the very top layer. So you kind of want to really layer them in and have as much of the good stuff in every bite as you can.
We're going to use mini marshmallows so that they are smaller bites. Add in a little bit of chocolate chips, and we had some leftover Halloween candy, just an assortment of our favorites.
Yep, so we have Kit Kats, Almond Joys, Reese's Cups, little mini M&Ms. Anything you really like, you can sprinkle in, and this kind of gives everyone an opportunity to customize it as they see fit.
Save some for the top layer there.
All right. A little color.
This isn't where you want to skimp on the toppings. That's going to be the deliciousness.
And you can use bigger marshmallows if you want. It's really just going to be like the binding agent. It's kind of going to hold everything together. So don't be shy.
We'll top it off with some of the M&Ms and a few sprinkles for color. Who doesn't love colored sprinkles?
All right, now the easy part. Just put
Cook it up.
Right over the fire. Let the heat do the work. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's delicious.
All right, well, thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you get over to those other channels and check out what they cooked over their campfire. I'll leave the link in the comments below. Lauren?
Thanks for watching.
All right, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and as always, hallelujah.